Hi everyone, and welcome to this SwiftFox Masterclass. Today we're looking at relative dates and automations. SwiftFox has supported this across the platform for a while, especially in finance-related filters, like filtering a receipt view from start of the month, or setting a report window from start of the year minus 6 months. In a filter, a relative date saves you from resetting a view. In an automation, it saves you from a date being wrong. An automation runs over and over for different people at different moments. Any fixed date you write into it was correct exactly once, on the day you built it, and has been aging ever since. A relative date instead tells the automation to work out the value at the moment it runs, so it comes out right for every contact, every time. Anywhere the canvas asks for a date, type the @ symbol, and a short list appears such as @today, @start of day, @start of week, and @start of month. Those are shortcuts rather than limits. The offset is yours to set. So, @today plus 7D, @today plus 30D, or @today minus 14D all behave exactly as you'd expect. There are two places that matter most. Update custom fields, where the value for any date custom field can be relative, and create a task in the due date field. The clearest case is finance. Say a member's status custom field moves from financial to unfinancial. An automation watching that field can stamp an unfinancial date of today the moment it happens. From then on, you can track, filter, and report on when each member went to unfinancial, which is something the status on its own can never tell you, because status only records where someone is now, not when they got there. A form arrives, a task is created due today plus 7 days, and the response window runs from submission rather than from whenever somebody picks it up. Because these values land in real custom fields, they're filterable. A date written by an automation can drive a list, a segment, or an action center view. So the automation sets the date, and the rest of SwiftFox acts on it. Relative dates turn a date you have to maintain into a date that maintains itself. A good place to start is one of the fields that your team is currently handling by hand. You can let an automation write it instead. Thanks for joining this week's masterclass, and we'll catch you in the next one.